face base. You guys, I'm not kidding. Like, look, I'm using a sample of this. So I'm so happy to have this. All right. It says, your smoothest complexion awaits. The priming moisturizer is basically a one-way ticket to baby soft skin, to shea butter and vitamins B, C, and E. Together they hydrate skin and protect it from environmental aggressors like pollution and blue light from your phone. This primer doubles as a moisturizer. Soothe it on to hydrate in a pinch, and the full size is $60 for this. So I am so happy to have this. I forgot all about this. Wow, that's a pretty decent size. I forgot all about picking this. You guys, I'm hoping the rest of this bag is gonna be as killer. All right, let's pull out the next thing. We have from a First Aid Beauty. It looks like my bag is not as good as some of the bags that I've seen, but that's okay. There's some really good things in here. This is Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. We all have had this. We all know it's a moisturizer, and the full size is valued at $34. I mean, not a bad thing to have in a $12 bag though, especially at this time of year when it's in where I live cold. So, you know, not bad. All right, moving on. This might be a pretty quick video. We have a product from Sand and Sky. I love this product. I have had it before. I've used, I think, like 3 of these things. And it is the Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask. This mask is out here doing it all for your skin, aka deep cleaning, exfoliating, brightening, and minimizing pore size in just 5 minutes. That's why I really like this, because it's quick. And all that's to blend of botanicals that physically buff away dulling dead skin cells, plus the detoxifying and pore minimizing pink clay. This says let it sit for 10 minutes, but I'm pretty sure I've done this in like, I'll put it on and then get in the shower and then I end up rinsing it off. So maybe it is like 10 minutes, but I mean, this is easy. And it's $49.90 for the full size. So it's pretty expensive, but you guys, this is a nice little mask. Not mad at that at all. What are we missing? We're missing the, oh no, it's in here. I was gonna say we're missing the brush, but it's in here. So here is the brush. And I'm happy about that because it is an angled brush. It is from Firma. It is the 103, and it just says angled contour brush, full size, $14.99. I was looking for a new contour brush this morning because all of mine are dirty. This would have been great while I was getting ready, but full size, nice brush. I like Firma brushes. Nothing wrong with them. They're really good. And the last product, which I'm really surprised to see in a $12 Ipsy bag, it is from Kohki Cosmetics, and it is a soft glow highlighter in Heavenly. It says, get ready to glow like the goddess you are. This highlighter is infused with gold light reflecting pigments to give you a lit from within look. The unique bouncy formula has a lightweight creamy texture that's so easy to blend and build. That means no streaks or caking. This is full size and it is valued at $5.99. So let me open it up. I do like Kohki Cosmetics. I don't have a lot from them because they're not sold at my Walmart, or you have to go to Rite Aid for it. But here is what it looks like. It is really nice packaging, really pretty. And it is very soft. Here's what it looks like opened. And here is a spot. It's very gold. Very golden. But sheared out, I'm sure it'll be really pretty. This would look really good on like a medium to dark skin tone, because that would look so good and make their face glow. Kind of, or like even if you're self-tanned and you have a little bit more of darker skin than like me with a fair skin, but even so, it still will look really good. And this would be perfect for an inner corner highlight. I'm not mad at this bag at all. I think it blew it out of the park this month. It wasn't as good as seeing like the one that had the Anastasia, Moon Gloss. There were some really good things, but I think this bag's really good too. So we have the Kohki Cosmetics full size. We have a brush full size. We have Bobbi Brown in our box, our bag. We have Sand and Sky, which is another amazing product, and First Aid Beauty, which is an amazing product. For $12, this box really killed it, I think. Let me know what you think down below. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day, you guys. Bye.